Hey everyone, and welcome to 8K Pixel Studios. Today we're taking a closer look at the Gizga Essentials Laptop Bag. If you are in the market for a stylish and functional bag to protect your precious laptop, you have come to the right place. This bag is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to carry their laptop on the go, whether you're commuting to work, heading to class, or traveling for business. So, if you're looking for a high-quality laptop bag, the Gizga Essentials Laptop Bag is the perfect choice. This stylish and sleek, ergonomically designed laptop sleeve boasts multiple compartments, durable water-resistant nylon fabric, and suitable for both men and women. This Gizga Essentials laptop sleeve comes in 3 sizes to fit a variety of laptops: 13.3-inch, 14.1-inch, and 15.6-inch. Let's take a look at the ratings and reviews for the Gizga Essentials laptop bag as shared by 8K Pixel Studios. Positive review. I got the Gizga Essentials laptop bag from Amazon.in on January 24th. And received it on the 25th super fast. The nylon fabric is smooth, soft, and lightweight with impressive quality. The interior cushion layer offers excellent protection. Thanks to Amazon Prime, delivery can be as quick as 4 to 6 hours on the same day. Negative review. The bag's width is okay, but the height is uncomfortably tight, especially for larger laptops like my Dell gaming one. It's more suitable for thinner models. The front pouch is too tight for my laptop charger, making it inconvenient. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Gizga Essentials Laptop Bag. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and recommendations.